Guys, let's watch this.
How to show respect to your husband even if you don't feel like it. Tip number 2, do not criticize him in front of other people. Okay, protect his dignity. Kung nag-away man kayo, kahit inis ka na dahil minsan gusto mo nakakampi or gusto mo ng ranting partner or gusto mo ng friend na mararantan, just keep your mouth shut kasi it's not good for your marriage. Ako din, advice ko yun sa sarili ko kasi ang sarap ikwento minsan. Kasi hindi lang na pinapakita mo yung vulnerabilities niya sa ibang tao. Of course, yung mga ganong bagay, you are just encouraging people to take sides sa'yo or sa kanya, diba? So, it's not good kasi you don't want him to be an enemy also sa ibang tao. Tama? So, respect him even if you don't feel like it. Do it for the Lord.